Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to access your Betway e-wallet. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on this button. Now, once you have your account, click on this login button. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to enter your login credentials. So go ahead and enter your login details in these boxes. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Now once you have entered your details, click on this login button. And once you're logged into your account, click on your profile at the top right corner. Once you click on it, this menu will open up. On this menu, click on this option where it says withdraw. Once you click on it, it will show all your bank details, including your e-wallet. From there, you can access your Betway e-wallet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.